Good morning to you. This is Justin Tomlin. I'm from Statesville, North Carolina. Those of you who don't know where that is above Charlotte, North Carolina. And today's date is December 7th, 2010. This is the second day of my blog. I've put up 2 videos yesterday. One video I had to put up this morning because I went to bed and I didn't get it posted last night. But I'll try to get a video cut tonight. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. I'm not sure. It depends on how busy my schedule is tonight. I'll have to check. But today, the North Carolinian weather video. Let me show you current temps right now. Okay, current temps. I've got 17 at my house. This thing is 19 in Statesville. 15 probably Gastonia. Is that right? Somewhere. But 15 Lincolnton. Okay. 16 in Gastonia, okay, and then 15 in York or whatever, and then 21 Charlotte. Teens in the mountains, wind chills below 0 up there, wind chills about 10 here in Statesville. Zoom out and give you some more temperatures. Let me see. You got temperatures below 0 up in the Midwest and mixed with wind chills. It's real cold up there. Negative 16. Wow. Negative 16 in, let's see if I can't see where that is. International Falls. Wow. Goodness. That's crazy. Alright, let's see if I can zoom out and give you today's winners for the warmest and coldest temps around the U.S. I'm about to say globe again. Okay. There we go. Alright, let's see. The warmest temperature is a tie. Let's see. It's a tie between Miami, Florida and Brownsville, Texas. Congratulations. The coldest temperature, well, we know who won that, International Falls, at negative 16 degrees. Then, let's see. I was gonna say today I was predicting to get down around 15, 17 at my house, so it's 2 degrees away, and there's still time for it to cool off a little bit. But today, I think since we didn't get down as low as we could have if the winds had stayed calm, like I was talking about on last night's weather video, then I think we will get up to about 34 today. 33, 34, and then tomorrow it'll be slightly warmer. Our average low is like 35, so it's kind of crazy that we're not even with daytime high temperatures getting to our average low. That's really mind-boggling. But snow in the forecast? Well, let's talk about that. First off, let me show you the NAO, which is kind of encouraging, but you know. It was kind of all over the place yesterday. I'm still trending at negative, I guess. Go down about -2, so we got a negative, and then that's going to cause blocking over Greenland or really north New England. Yeah, that's right, or the Northeast or whatever. But and then if that would go a little bit more negative, then I would be more hopeful with snow, but it's probably not going to, unfortunately. But let's show you the modeling. What do I want to show you first? I'll show you these. Okay. Alright. Here's the 6Z. Okay, and then it's not. Okay. 6Z, running the GFS, and it's showing the storm system not coming in until, got the storm system at 7 a.m. Monday, December the 13th. This is it's trying to slow down the system, which is kind of a good thing in a way. But, it's got the low pressure centered right over Kentucky, pretty much. And then the secondary low develops off the coast. Let's see. Secondary low develops off the coast. And then, that, taken verbatim, is a little bit of snow, ending as snow around here in North Carolina, Statesville proper. That's 1 to 2 inches, provided the ground's not warm, and the ground will be warm. It'll be cold from this, but the rain will probably help to warm it up. That we see ahead of that. Yeah, all that rain. Yeah, right there. Okay. catch the drift. But on the other models, here's a 0Z run of the GFS. I think I might have been out of camera range there for a second. I'm sorry. Okay. Alright, here's the low pressure center, and it's over Tennessee. And then you move out, and it doesn't even develop the secondary low. It's just one central low. That is not a good solution, because that gives us very heavy rain. The mountains, some backflow, or whatever. What do you call that? Crap. I can't even remember. Is it backflow? No. But anyways, it's the moisture that wraps around moisture. Okay. Wrap around moisture that wraps around the system, and it goes into the mountains. We don't normally get that because of the mountains. But this is showing snow for western Pennsylvania, extreme western New York. Let's see, and then that's about it. And eventually into most of New York. But that's not a good setup at all for anybody, hardly. Yeah. But let's take you, and this is the European. Don't agree with it. I'll show you it. There's too much blocking for this to occur, but it's got the system going through the Great Lakes region. Not hardly anybody getting snow, and then it goes up into Canada. No, that's not going to happen. There's too much, or it could happen, but there's just too much blocking, and then NAO is too negative for that to happen. Here's the no gaps model. Go all the way out to the end of the run. There's 132 hours out to Sunday at 7 a.m. Got the low pressure centered over Indiana, and here's 144. The secondary low develops off the coast, and we get cold air behind it. And this is Sunday at 7 p.m. and taken verbatim, that's snow for us here in Statesville. It's a rather heavy amount of snow, or just, well, maybe not Statesville, but Hickory area, I would say. Probably 3, well, nah. Hickory area, but that's a lot of snow. That'd be 5 to 7 inches, provided the ground was a perfect temperature, and it's 10-to-1 ratio or whatever, or 1 to 10 or whatever you call it. Here is the, did I put the Japanese? Yeah, okay. Here is the Canadian model. Got the low pressure. It's got the low pressure cutting into the lakes too. It looks like. Let me see. These things. No, it doesn't. Yeah. Okay. No, it's good. Okay. We've got the low pressure system on the Canadian over. It's so hard to read this. I guess over northern Ohio and northern Indiana, providing them with snow. Western Pennsylvania, same setup. Not a good setup for snow on the East Coast, unfortunately. Here's a Japanese model. It does the same thing as the European that I don't agree with. Develops a low in the center of the country, brings it up, it's over Indiana, and then it shoots up through the Great Lakes, and you're done. There's no snow, hardly for anybody on the East Coast. Don't think that's going to play out. What do I think that's going to play out right now? Storm is going to come down through here. Secondary low develops. It's right over eastern Kentucky and western West Virginia. Secondary low develops off the coast. We here in North Carolina potentially end with some snow, not much at all. Shoots up, and then anywhere from Albany, New York, let's see, central Pennsylvania, all the way down through central Virginia, west, gets snow, and then, I'm sorry, Maine. I saw somebody talking about how nobody talks about Maine, but y'all are gonna get snow. I mean, it's pretty simple. Let me show you the run, okay? Okay, rain at first. Then, well, this one actually doesn't show y'all getting snow. Well, okay, GFS. Let's see if that does. Nope, it doesn't either. Actually, Maine might not get snow out of this one. Maybe a little bit, but not much. That's funny. Well, yeah, but I'm talking locally for Statesville. Sorry, Maine. I don't really know anybody in Maine. So, anyways, but I don't think this is our system that's going to give us the real amount of snow. I mean, we're still, what, 5 days out? And if it happens Monday, then we're 6 days out. But we'll just have to keep tracking it. I'll keep you posted. You know I will. depresses me to tell you that it's not going to snow, but it just doesn't look very likely. And it's amazing, isn't it, that we're going to teens now. We won't get above freezing today hardly. Tomorrow it'll be a little bit warmer, and then right in time for a system to come through, it warms up just enough to be rain. That's North Carolina for you. But that's about it from Statesville, North Carolina. And 7 a.m. and I've been up 2 hours now. Goodness. Okay. Well, I'm tired, so I'm gonna hop in the shower and then go to school. So y'all have a good day, and that's about it.